For you, like the latest horror books quiz available now, and many of people asking me about this quiz. So guys, everything so much easily now. Only request you be end of watching my video, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this quiz 100% I give you right answer. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this quiz. Okay guys, this is the quiz and horror books quiz. Okay, so guys, this is the question and we'll be starting now. Okay guys, first question, how wrote Dracula, the most famous vampire novel of this time? So this is the right answer I give you. This question to be right answer I give you. Please don't skip now. Bram Stoker, right answer. Okay. Okay guys, which of the following author wrote The Haunting of Hill House? So this is the right answer I give you. Shirley Jackson. Okay, right answer Shirley Jackson. What is the classic horror novel The American Fiasco about? So guys, this question to be right answer I give you. Right answer, not to skip now. This is the a serial killer who happened to be the successfully Wall Street broker. Okay, third right option, right answer. This question to be right answer I give you. Don't skip now because this question to be so much interesting. Stephen King. Okay, Stephen King, right answer. Okay, this question to be right answer. First option, Stephen King. Okay guys, 1971 iconic novel was the release. So this question to be right answer I give you. The Exorcist, right answer. Okay, this question to be right answer. Okay guys, this question to be right answer I give you. Don't skip now. Henry James, right answer. Okay, if you find this set type question. Okay, okay, if you find this type quiz. So guys, this is the question to be right answer I give you. Annie Rice. Okay, right answer Annie Rice. Mary Wollstonecraft's The Shelley famous novel title. Okay, so this question to be right answer I give you. Right answer, this question, Frankenstein of the modern Prometheus. First option. Okay, this question to be right answer I give you. We don't to skip now. This is the right answer, Carrie. Right answer, Carrie. Okay, Carrie, right answer. Okay guys, this is the question to be right answer I give you. Don't skip now. Hellraiser. Hellraiser. Okay, Hellraiser, this question to be right answer. Okay guys, if you're finding this type quiz, so this is the question to be right answer, zombie. Okay, right answer, zombie. If you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer I give you. Peter Benchley. Okay, Benchley. Okay guys, if you find this type picture, so this question to be right answer I give you. Okay, Amityville Horror. Okay, if you find this type quiz, so guys, this question to be right answer, H.P. Lovecraft. Okay, Okay guys, if you're finding this type picture quiz, so this is the question to be right answer. Dien Contes, Diez Conten, Dien Contes. If you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer give you IT, right answer IT, okay. If you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer I give you vampire, okay, vampire, right answer. If you're finding this type quiz on this picture, so this question to be right answer I give you H.G. Wells. If you're finding this type picture, so this question to be right answer I give you the strange case of Dr. Jackie Mr. Hyde, okay, right answer. If you're finding this type quiz picture, so this question to be right answer the legend of Sleepy, okay, the legend of Sleepy Hollow.